I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer cheese sauce. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for about 1 minute, creating a smooth roux. This forms the base of our delicious sauce. Next, slowly pour in 1 cup of your preferred beer, whisking continuously to ensure there are no lumps. Keep stirring until the mixture is smooth and slightly thickened. Now reduce the heat to low. It's time for the star ingredient, the cheese. Gradually add 8 ounces of freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese, stirring constantly. Make sure the cheese melts slowly and completely, creating a wonderfully creamy and smooth sauce. To enhance the flavor, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard and a small pinch of cayenne pepper. These spices add a subtle warmth and depth to the sauce. Achieving the perfect consistency is key. If your beer cheese sauce appears too thick, simply whisk in a tablespoon or 2 of milk or cream until it reaches your desired smoothness. Now, give it a taste. Adjust the seasonings as needed, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. Remember to keep the sauce heated through, but be careful not to let it boil, as this can cause the cheese to separate. Your easy beer cheese sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm and fresh with classic soft pretzels, crispy tortilla chips, or even as a delicious dip for steamed vegetables. It also makes an incredible topping for burgers or hot dogs. This versatile sauce is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals to enhance your home entertainment experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.